Hello everyone, my name is Prabjeet Singh Bagga and I'm a technical marketing engineer here at Cisco. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register our brand new Catalyst Center Global Manager or CCGM to the CRS or Cloud Registration Service. Why we have done that is so we can automate the enrollment of Catalyst Centers to CCGM with one click of a button. And let me show you how. All right, so the first step we're going to do before you can start deploying CCGM is you're going to place a $0 PID. And to place that $0 PID, you will need your smart account and virtual account information. You can take that and you can give that to your sales executive and they'll place that order for you. So to get your smart account and virtual account details for your user that is tied to that SANVA, you can go to software.cisco.com, you can go to Manage Smart Account. And in Manage Smart Account, on the top right-hand side, you'll see your smart account. Here it's Catalyst Center TME. And on the left-hand side, in the virtual accounts, you'll see you can choose any of the virtual accounts you want to use for your registration of CCGM. In my case, I'm using CCGM-USA. Why we need to do this is because we have automated the registration of CCGM and also enrolling of Catalyst Center. So first time when you do the ordering and using your smart account and virtual account like earlier, it's going to automate a creation of a profile for you on our Cloud Registration Service CRS portal. All right, so before we get started, let's go over the prerequisites needed to register CCGM. Like we talked about before, you first need to place that $0 order on CCW for CCGM, and then you need to wait 3 days so that the automation engine can run and your CRS profile is created with your smart account and virtual account. Next is you can go to software.cisco.com and download the CCGM OVA file and then go to your VMware vCenter and start deploying CCGM. We have created another YouTube video on how to deploy CCGM. You can go check that out as well if you want. Now the third one is you can now access CCGM UI, but also make sure you have internet access allowed from CCGM so that CCGM can register to the CRS cloud and then Catalyst Center can enroll to it. All right, so to start the registration, log into the CCGM UI with your username and password. So here we're going to do the first time setup of CCGM. So the CRS profile that Cisco would have created for you on the back end, now CCGM is going to register to that profile. So here we will click on activate your device. I'm going to click on next. And then it's going to ask me for my email or my user that is tied to the smart account and virtual account where the profile is created. So Catalyst Center TME, CCGM-USA, I would have placed an order, a profile will be created, and PBugga is part of that smart account and virtual account. Now by doing this, the CCGM will go and register itself to Cisco Cloud with its own IP address of 10.195.180.230. So that when we add any future Catalyst Center to CCGM, it will also query Cisco Cloud and get this IP address of CCGM. And the Catalyst Center will be able to directly communicate with CCGM and make that connection. All right, so now we can see that the registration is successful and the license is available, which is a great sign. We can hit on confirm and it's going to take us to the CCGM UI. If this fails for any reason, you can try to make sure that your user exists as a part of the smart account virtual account that had placed the order. Now, once you're at the CCGM dashboard, it's going to wait for you to add a new Catalyst Center. You can also go to the systems and settings and make sure that the CCGM is registered by going to Cisco Catalyst Cloud. Here I can see that the license is available and it's registered. Now, to learn how to add a new Catalyst Center, we have created another video. Please go and check that out. All right, so this brings us to the end of the video of deploying CCGM. Please check out our entire playlist of CCGM on our YouTube channel so you can learn everything about CCGM through that. Also, you can look at the FAQ document that we have created and the deployment guide that also gives you all the steps. And finally, for all the other Catalyst Center use cases and features, you can check out our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye-bye.